everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, IPSY Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I got my IPSY Glam Bag in the mail. I did shoot my IPSY Glam Bag and IPSY Glam Bag Plus already. The one that I got from PR for June in the beginning of the month. So if you guys want to see what I got in my PR one, you could check. I'll have it linked down below in the description if you want to watch that video. This is the one that I paid for because I still buy them on my own as well. Just to see if like the PR one is better than the paid one. So I can't compare the two because they send the PR one earlier in the month and you normally get the paid ones way later. And I know you guys want to see like what you could get or not. So I try to put my video out as soon as I get it. So I just got this not too long ago. So I'm going to film this for you guys just so you guys can see what I actually got in my paid one. So if you guys want to know what I got in my bag, then keep on watching. So like I said, this is my paid one that I paid for, not the PR. But like if you want to see the PR one, you could just click the link down below and see what I got. So I did like what I got for PR though. I definitely did. So let's dig in and see. All right, so it's the same bag that I showed you guys already. This, if you're new to IPSY, the IPSY Glam Bag Plus is $25. Alrighty, so you get a card in here. The card doesn't give any prices, which is a bummer. I love when they give the prices, but it's alright. Nevertheless, we're gonna see what we got in here. So we get this cool little sack here. And let's see what I got. Alrighty, so oh, this is cute in the PR. So I got these brushes in PR, which I'm so happy. These are the brushes here. So I'll have a nice collection because I'll have doubles of everything. But it didn't come in this cool little pouch here. But I mean, I'm going to throw this out anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But that could be one difference from PR and regular. Like, we didn't get the cool little case, but that's still fine because like I said, it's not something that you could reuse, but it says on here, let me see if you guys can even see it. It says Rainbow Luxe SL Miss Glam Stay Sparkly. So as you can see, I got these already in PR, which I'm so ecstatic for. And now I have more of them. So now I have doubles of everything, which I'm super excited for. And when you get the PR, you don't get to pick and choose what you want. So they sent me the brushes, which they probably wouldn't know this because I'm sure they don't watch everybody's video, but I love brushes. Ooh, just almost knocked me out. I just dropped one of them. I absolutely love brushes. So I'm super excited that I got doubles of these beautiful brushes. I have some of her brushes already. From IPSY. I have this one, as you guys can see. Her brushes are always so cute. But you can tell that what her brushes look like because they all have like the little diamonds on them. Oh, this is from my Medusa's makeup subscription. But they have like the cool little diamond things on them. So you'll always know like her brushes. But I'm super excited to have like a whole doubles of the set now. So, and yes, I got to choose this. So you guys are probably like,
Aisha, if you already have the brushes, why would you pick another one and get something else? Why would you get the same thing?
I just love brushes and I love pretty brushes too. So I thought it would be cute. Maybe I could put this on my vanity with my other brushes. I mean, I wouldn't say pink and orange I like together, probably more pink, but it's cute. I'm here for it. So love that. You're supposed to get 5 items in this bag, and they let you choose 3 out of the 5 items. So I chose that. I want to say I chose this brush because I love, like I said, I love, you would think getting all these brushes, I wouldn't want any more brushes, but I love brushes. So I chose the Farrah Powder and Go brush. So you got like a nice little powder brush on one side, and then you get like a nice little blush brush on the other side, which is cool, I'm here for it. I'm here for the on the go, because your girl's always on the go. She's booked and busy. So we need to just, you do my powder, my little blush, and I'm out the door. So super excited for all these new brushes. That's why I love these makeup subscription boxes, because like I paid $25 for this. And like you get so much for your coin. So much for your coin. Like if you're trying to build your kit, like I truly wish they had makeup subscription boxes like back in the day when I first started doing makeup. I paid for like all my, rightfully, of course you're gonna pay for all your stuff, but I spent a lot of money on my kit. I spent a lot of money. Like, and I only use, not to sound like bougie or anything like that, but I only use the best of the best in my kit, because like me doing somebody's makeup is a why can I say this word? Representation. I don't know why I can't talk today. It represents me and like my work. So I'm only going to use the best because I want them to have the best look. So, and I believe you get what you pay for. Not always, because not to say that you can't get good makeup for cheap. Some things you can, but like I just make sure like I always use good quality on my clients. I'm not using like cheap stuff. And it shows because my work, I do some beautiful work. Not to, toot my own horn or anything, but I do beautiful work when I do my gigs. But nevertheless, I think in my third choice, I chose this Gerard Cosmetics Eternal Eyeliner. So it's like a liquid liner. I'm not going to open this up yet because I have so much liquid liners. It's kind of like an ongoing joke with subscription boxes that like in every subscription box you get either like a liquid liner, eyeliner, or mascara. And that is the truth. I have like a whole bucket of like liquid liners that hasn't been opened and a whole bucket of mascaras that hasn't been opened. I think I never have to ever buy skincare, liquid liners, mascaras, or eyeliners, because most of these makeup boxes nowadays, they give tons of skincare. I'm like, skincare galore. I'm like over it. And all of these mascaras and liquid liners. But I'm not complaining because those things, the lifespan of mascara is 2 to 3 months. So, I'm going to need a mascara anyway, so I just don't have to buy it. So win-win for me. But so far, all makeup. What I do like about this subscription, I feel like IPSY's been more on it with like their customizations, because I did do a survey and I feel like the choices that they've been choosing for me is what I would have wanted. Like they haven't really been giving me skincare for my choices. And I'm happy about that because I don't want any. But they've been giving me makeup for my choices. So I'm actually I've been really happy with IPSY, and it's not because I get PR from them and I don't get PR from Boxy. It has nothing to do with that. I think everybody can attest that like IPSY's has been stepping up their game. Like I'm sorry, since Boxy sold their company to, since Boxy Charm sold the company to IPSY, I feel like, I don't know, it's not the same. Like their boxes come like literally like the last week of the month. Like the choices haven't been that. I don't know. I'm still gonna subscribe to Boxy Charm anyway, because I still like them. But like IPSY has been stepping up their game. They have been stepping it up. I also love the new Glam Bag X, like killing it. They killing it. They partnering with celebrities, and these are things that celebrities use. So you getting the best of the, they can use anything, and you get to get stuff that they use. Like IPSY, keep doing your thing. Keep doing your thing. But nevertheless, I got a Babe Lash Enriching Liquid Eyeliner. I have a Babe Lash something, but mine isn't blue. So I wonder what's the difference between, I think mine is like gold. Oh, because this is a liquid liner. I have like the lash, like to make your lashes grow, and this is an actual liquid liner. And I knew that I was getting a liquid liner. I knew my choice already that they were going to give me, but like I said, a girl can never have too much liquid liner. So, and I always wanted to try this too, the liquid liner. This is Make Your Lashes Grow Enhance Your Look with Enriching Liquid Eyeliner. The point felt tip delivers a clean, precise line with the peptide-rich, water-resistant formula, hydrates skin and lashes. So I don't think this makes your lashes grow, but Babe Lash is known for like their lash enricher that makes your lashes grow. But this is just a liner. So I'm excited to try that. You can never have too much liquid liner or mascara. The next thing I got is a Visa Art Professional Makeup eyeshadow palette, like little baby. So this is one of the things that's gonna be like probably like lost because I don't know, all the small things like I always tend to go for the bigger things like the my bigger eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that, but you never know, we'll see. So I love the packaging. How cute is this? It has like the little pulley thing that you pull like so, and then we got like a little cover, and then it has a mirror, and then these are the shadow colors right here. So this is, I guess this is cute for like, I guess I could keep this like in my car, like if I have to touch up my makeup and I don't want to have like a whole full-size eyeshadow palette, I could keep this like in my car. The colors are cute. I mean, I'm here for the colors. I love corals, I love plums, earth tones, all that fun stuff. So I definitely would use it. But I just have to try the stuff out to see if the pigmentation is good. But I actually like this. This is cute. I'm here for the minis sometimes. Because I like to keep some stuff in my car. Like, let's say if I'm on my way to work, but like maybe I didn't get to do my whole full face. Like on my break, I could, you know, touch up my face or something. You know, all that cool stuff, all that fun stuff. But nevertheless, I am super happy with my bag. I mean, if you follow my channel, if you are a follower of mine, and it's such your first time on my channel, my subscribers know I love brushes. I have like a weird thing with brushes. I have to show my brush collection too. I have a lot of collection stuff I have to show. It's just, there's not enough time in the day. The boxes just keep coming to my house. And it's like, I have so much stuff that I want to film outside of subscription boxes. But it's like, I gotta bang these out. The month is almost done. So I gotta do these first. And that's my priority, is filming my actual boxes in a month it is. And then if I have time, I'll do like all the other extra stuff. So that's my mindset. That's my my game plan for myself. But like I said, I do want to do some other extra videos, collection videos and stuff like that. But like, I was washing like my brushes because I have so much brushes that I literally just put all my dirty brushes in a bin, and then I'll get to them when I get to them because I have so much. And I literally just one day I'm like, I'm gonna wash all these brushes, and I had like brushes all over my kitchen counter. Like it was like on a dining room table. Like I had you guys will see. I have bins and bins of brushes. Hold on a second. All right, guys, I am back, and just so you guys know, I ain't lying. I ain't never lie. Look at this, guys. Bins of brushes. Bins and bins of brushes. Now keep in mind that like this is my field. Like I do like makeup on the side. I've been in the makeup industry, working in the makeup industry for years. So if I was a regular person who's not like in the beauty industry, there should be no reason. Well, I should not even have all these brushes to begin with. But like I love, like look at this, guys. Brushes. Look at all the brushes. These are all clean. I just washed all these brushes. Bins of brushes. Look at this. Look at this. These are all like eye brushes. Then I have face brushes here. These are all face brushes. Look at this, guys. Brushes galore. Like, I don't know, I love brushes. That's brushes, right? And more brushes, more eyeshadow. These are more eyeshadow brushes. Like, these are all my clean brushes. Bins of brushes. Then I have brushes on my vanity. I have Now these are my personal brushes. I have brushes for my kit for when I do my gigs, because the brushes that I use on my clients I don't use on myself. Yeah, I tell you, that's, and not to brag, because nobody would be saying Aisha's bragging. I am a makeup junkie, and I love seeing people's collections of stuff, so I like to show my stuff too. But just to show you guys that I love brushes. Like, I don't know why. I just like, I guess because like I'm like artistic and I like doing makeup. I like trying different brushes and seeing like what brushes works better than others and how they work. You know, I don't know. That's what goes on in my head over here. That's what goes on in my head. But nevertheless, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Yeah, that's really about it. If you liked my video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe, share, do all that fun stuff. You know, I help you grow up. Make sure you hit that notification bell, so you know each and every time I upload a video. And as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.